We are here in Stillwater, Oklahoma, just 11 minutes south of the OSU campus down Perkins Road. We're at the Pasadena Community Development. Here, we are putting in 12 BOXABL units. A few weeks ago, we flew out to the BOXABL factory in Las Vegas and placed our final order for the 12 units that are going to be placed here in this community. We are also putting in a 5,000 square foot event center, perfect for weddings and other community events. Let's go check out this development. We're now here down at the other end of the community where the pond is. We're gonna be putting in a dock with a fountain. It'll be a perfect place to come spend your evenings. And then right over here is where our 12 unit community is gonna be. These are gonna be short-term rental spaces that are gonna be fully furnished and ready to occupy. We've got 2 of the first BOXABL units currently set up, and the other 10 are getting delivered here in just a couple weeks. If you're unfamiliar with BOXABL, it's the first of its kind modular housing which can collapse and fold up into a 10 by 20 package and then be put on a semi-trailer and shipped wherever in the country or wherever in the world for that matter. And when the other 10 come in, I'll take you along for the ride and show you how these unfold and are ready to occupy. Let's head inside and I'll show you around. This first unit that BOXABL is shipping is called the Cita. Now, it is a studio apartment size. It's 361 square feet, but it comes with full-size appliances, including full-size fridge, range, dishwasher, and sink. It has space for dining, for living, and for your bed. But best of all, it comes with a washer and dryer, ready for hookups, and it comes with a full-size shower, toilet, sink here in the bathroom. All of these items are shipped with the Cita so that it can be quickly set up and ready for living. We're gonna be having a very Southwest theme with all the furnishings in here. The exterior of each of the BOXABLs will have a different color themed in the Southwest style. Now we're gonna have this short-term rental community up and running this fall in time for the OSU football season. Right here, we've got all the pads getting poured. These 5 have been poured, and then tomorrow, these other 5 pads on this side are gonna be poured as well. And I'll drop you a link as soon as it's ready to go live on Airbnb, and you can come stay at the first of its kind in the country, a BOXABL rental community. We'll see you soon.